Hi, this is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna. Today's tutorial is how to add fringe to your scarf. I like for my fringe to be about 6 inches long. And for that, I would have to cut twice the length of the final fringe. So meaning 12 inches of yarn. So I could use my measuring tape and measure out 12 inches and a little bit more, like another ½ inch, to allow for the knot. Cut, and then fold it in half. Fold the yarn in half like this. Is this half? Close to half? Yeah, right in the middle, right here. Then you'll take your crochet hook and put it from back to front into your knit. I already attached one here. I think I went a little bit too high. Right here, from back to front. Then take the loop from folding the yarn in half and bring it through to the back and up, and either with your fingers or with the hook, bring both strands of yarn through that loop. Okay, and pull the knot. And there's your fringe. See? Another way of measuring my yarn that I like to use is that I have this little cardboard. This is actually plywood, or you could use a cardboard or something sturdy, already measured to the size of the fringe you want to have, and wrap it around a couple times like this. And then with your scissors, you just cut one end, just one side, and then you have your fringes. Your strands of yarn ready to go. Then if you want to have, let's say, a fringe that is a little thicker, then you could use 2 strands of yarn, and I'll show you how that would look. Again, you insert the needle, your crochet hook from the back to the front, both loops through with the hook. You can either use your crochet hook, which I kind of like doing it this way because I think I have better control. Okay, and then pull those strands through. Pull the knot, not too tight. And see, this is the difference. So this is a fringe that had 2 strands, so you end up with 4 strands at the on your fringe. Or this was just a single strand, and now you have like a double strand fringe. It's up to you and the look that you're after. So this is how, and you'll space them out depending on how full you want the fringe to look, or if you want it to be looser, then you'll spread them apart, further apart. So thank you so much. This is your tutorial on how to add fringe. I hope you like it. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe, click like, leave me a comment, and let me know what else you would like to see. I enjoy you very much. Have a great day. Thank you.